Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about on transitioning from physical virtual data rooms, a step-by-step guide. Transitioning from physical to virtual data rooms, a step-by-step guide too. As businesses globally continue to their digital transformations and transitioning from physical to virtual data rooms is becoming increasingly essential. Today we'll guide you through this transformation step by step. The need for transitions bullet points. Scalability, adapting to growing data needs, accessibility, access data from anywhere, anytime, security, enhanced protection with encryption and user controls, cost effective, reduce physical space and management cost. The first step is understanding the reason behind these transitions. Virtual data rooms offer scalability, better accessibility, enhanced security, and cost savings compared to traditional physical data rooms. Laying the groundwork bullet points. Audit existing data, identify what needs transitioning. Prioritize not all data may need to move immediately. Clean up, discard outdated or unnecessary data. Organize, categorize, and label data for easy migrations. A graphic of a magnifying glass over paper files, a checklist, and a digital folder. Before diving in, it's crucial to prepare, conduct a thorough audit of existing data. Prioritize the most critical information and clean up by discarding obstacles data and organize everything for easier migrations. So that's all everyone. I hope this video has been helpful for you to understand the topic. If you have any questions about the topic, please leave a comment below. And thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye everyone.